Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Aaj it's a nice sunny day and I just thought that I'll film a daily vlog of where we're going, what we're doing today. I have absolutely no makeup on my face and I'm under the sun. I wore my dress, but that's all. So yeah, let's go around and I'll show you around the day. Keep watching. So I'm just going to do my makeup. अच्छा लाइट आ रहा है, नेचुरल लाइट में ही मेकअप करूँगी आज. I just feel staying natural today, like minimal amount of makeup like this, just powder and concealer on the face, that kind of makeup. Don't feel like doing too much. आपको मैं अपना ड्रेस दिखा देती हूँ. This is my dress. And yes, I'm a few kgs like. Okay, so I just need 2 products or 3 products to get ready today. I'll just get them and I'll be back. Sorry, I am going to start. Okay. सबसे पहले I'm using this Fix Plus concealer जो मैं अपने eye correction के लिए यूज़ करती हूँ. Okay. So just going. इसका doe food applicator टूट गया है. Okay, I think I can manage. So अभी स्किन केयर मैंने बहुत पहले ही कर लिया था तो मैं वापस नहीं कर रही हूँ. डो फूड एप्लीकेटर नहीं है तो इसको लगाने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम सी होती है, बट व्हाट टू डू नाउ. सो आई हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ पैचेस अराउंड माई माउथ ऑल्सो. तो ये कंसीलर ख़त्म हो रहा है बट ख़त्म नहीं हो रहा टाइप सिचुएशन है इसका. एनीवे, टू यूज़ माई फिंगर्स क्योंकि मैं ब्रश लाना भूल गई हूँ. ब्रश लाना भूल गई हूँ इसलिए फिंगर्स यूज़ कर रही हूँ, वरना आई ऑलवेज यूज़ अ ब्रश. आई डोंट लाइक टू डू मेकअप विथ माई फिंगर्स एंड स्टफ, क्योंकि जो ब्रश और ब्लेंडर की फिनिशिंग आती है वो फिंगर्स की फिनिशिंग नहीं आती, मुझे ऐसा लगता है पर्सनली. आई हैव टू ब्लेंड इट वेरी वेल. ओके, मैंने सनस्क्रीन लगाए रखा है इसलिए मैंने ज़्यादा ये किया नहीं. अब नेक्स्ट मैं यूज़ करूँगी ये लॉरियल टू कवर अप माई डार्क सर्कल्स एंड ब्राइटन ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम. अभी मैंने नया ट्रिक देखा, हम ये ऐसे तो करते हैं यूजुअली. आई पुट माई कंसीलर बट आई वाज जस्ट वाचिंग दिस पर्सन हु पुट इट इन स्क्वायर. मेरे फेस पे ना सिर्फ डार्क सर्कल्स बहुत ज़्यादा है तो आई ऑलवेज वेयर अ कंसीलर. Always. I have to actually. Otherwise, I look really tired. This Nude Sticks blush जो बहुत ही फेयर स्किन के लिए है, मेरी स्किन पे इतना शो अप भी नहीं करता है. Blend, 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 blend. And I'm going to put my old trusted Benetint क्योंकि इसके बिना मेरा चेहरा अधूरा है. I love blush. And then I put Benetint on my lips as well. तो उसको फिक्स करने के लिए I'm using my MAC Fix Plus. इक्वल आउट करना है, उसके बाद इससे ऐसे प्रेस कर देना. दैट इज़ माई सिंपल मेकअप रूटीन. देख सकते हो कितना डिफरेंस आता है. मिनिमल सॉर्ट ऑफ अ डिफरेंस, नॉट अ वेरी बिग डिफरेंस वेयर आई लुक लाइक अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट पर्सन. ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं लग रहा है. तो हाँ, ये है मेरा सिंपल सा मेकअप एंड या. Later, I did go on and add a liner because I thought the look was missing a liner. So this is how it looked. I also went on and added some golden hoops to the look. The dress was looking really pretty and with the hoops and this bag added on. I just added a crossbody bag to make the look come together. And this is how it looked. It looked really chic. नाइस. मैं अपना स्ट्रैप, ये एक्चुअली मेरा राइट साइड है स्ट्रैप का, उल्टा हो गया था उसमें. सो या, दिस इज़ द लुक. तो हम पहुंच गए थे लोकेशन पे. दिस वाज अ पार्क कॉल्ड वॉल्टर सिस्लू. आई वाज जस्ट वॉकिंग विथ माय नेफ्यू and we took a cycle for him so that he can cycle around. ये जगह इतनी सुंदर थी. I cannot believe that this is a park that has been maintained so well. People were having dinner tables set here by themselves. ये इतना सुंदर था. Like we hired this golf karting sort of a car that was really cool. And हम लोग सब इस पे बैठ के ही राइडिंग कर रहे थे. Like look at how cool that car is. It's like 10 speed but इतनी cool थी. We because this park was really huge in size and पैदल चलते तो ऐसे ही बहुत बहुत टाइम लग जाता. That is me showing my K by Katrina's highlighter shining really to the gods. And फिर शुरू हुई ride जिसमें I sat and some instructions were given to the driver, which was my Jijaji. And we just started riding, and look at my face. I was so happy with the 10 speed that it was riding in. And but it was a good way to explore the park, like because the park is really big, and to go from one corner to the other we need a cart. So it was a very good decision क्योंकि अगर हम पैदल पैदल जाते तो हमारी मतलब बहुत बहुत ही ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है and हमारे पैर भी दुख जाते. Plus my parents were there with us, so it was a great decision made by my sister and my Jeju to just take this car and roam around the park. Everybody was looking at us. But yeah, it was really cool to do this. And yeah, this is just the view from the park, and just goes on and on because I was just so happy enjoying the sunlight plus the ride and being a passenger in this really cool car. तो यही है. And I'm just showing you around how beautiful and green this park is. Entire park, you need one whole day to explore this. And then these guys were waiting.
Passengers, 100 rands per person, please.
So this cart could only fit in 3 passengers that were allowed. But हम तो हम हैं, हमने पूरा एडजस्टमेंट करके हम 5 लोग इस कार्ट पे बैठ गए. And now comes the best part of the park.
So pretty.
So this is the water park that is really popular. Here it's so beautiful. It's a natural hot spring waterfall. But because अभी ठंड थी तो इतना गर्म नहीं था इसका पानी. But this falls all the way through the rocks and collects in a small sort of a, what do you call it, pond or whatever that is called. But so beautiful to look at, and itne ऊपर के distance से this falls that the sound is so beautiful. वही मैं explore करते करते I was just taking a walk around in the fresh air around it, and इतनी ठंड थी. Then, like all perfect fairy tale places, there was a soft serve van, जिसमें से one of the best soft serves I've ever tasted. I had this. It was huge and so good. Like we went and we had like 3 of these. All of us एक ने लिया, and then सबको इतना अच्छा लगा वो कि everybody wanted to go back and get it. But I enjoyed my cone to myself with some strawberry sauce on it. But ये होने के बाद we just went to this rest area where we put our satranji, whatever, the chadar down, and we were just relaxing in this natural beauty. Everywhere you looked at, it was so beautiful, like pura scenery. And I was just lying down and doing my perfect holidaying kind of just perfect holiday kind of a pose. and that's just my nephew playing with the birds around. Itna sundar jagah tha. Then we went to this small hike which led to this place where you could literally see a dam, like, but you have to walk a lot to see the dam. So we were walking, and then came a bird watching space. ये सिर्फ इतना नैरो सा स्पेस था जिसमें से you can literally sit there and you can see the birds. Now you will know. See, this is the narrow space in from which you can just observe, and there's pin drop silence, and you can see the birds around. Then these were the birds in the park. They were all peacocks, there were cats, there were so many beautiful things. ये सब होने के बाद we ended up having dinner because it was my dad's birthday, and this was the vlog. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.